Connect torch wires. Blue color water outlet, black color water inlet. Third, 1 connect air. Connect ARC wire. Connect ARC wire. Connect ground wire. It used to adjust current. Power indicator. Air pressure indicator. Water pressure indicator. When all these 3 indicators are on, can machine work properly? Self-locking and non-locking. Turn to non-locking. 160 and 200 is water cooling. When test machine, can turn to gas testing. When machine start to cut, PLS turn to cutting. Power cable, need connect with 3 phase 380 V. Connect these 2 ARC wires black and orange color. Connect to air compressor. Blue color connect with water inlet, red color connect with water outlet. This one is power switch. Red color connect input of water chiller, blue color connect output of water chiller. Check whether the internal water circulation is normal.